These are the Keyboardio Model 100's custom-sculpted keycaps. This is the Keyboardio Model 100's walnut shell. This is a collection of mechanical key switches you can swap into the Keyboardio Model 100. This is a video about the Keyboardio Model 100. These are Keyboardio's founders, Jesse and Kaya. This is Keyboardio's office.
We have a few keyboards.
Okay, maybe we're a little obsessed.
In 2015, their obsession led them to design, manufacture, and ship their first keyboard, the Keyboardio Model 1. These are some reviews.
We've taken all the love that our users have shown us, and we've put it right back into a redesign. This is the Keyboardio Model 100.
The Keyboardio Model 100 was designed from the ground up to fit your hands, with a scooped key layout and 360 degrees of adjustable tilt and tent so you can type comfortably. The Keyboardio Model 100 comes in your choice of maple hardwood or a solid walnut shell, has brighter and more efficient full-color LEDs, updated sculpted keycaps to better fit your fingertips, and hot swap sockets so you can choose your own switches. And of course, all the keys are programmable, so you can customize your Keyboardio Model 100 to the way you want to work. This is Chrysalis, the software that lets you customize your Keyboardio Model 100, which is open source.
Yep, and it comes with firmware source code, too.
And a screwdriver.
This is Forsey McForceface, a custom rig that tests switches for the Keyboardio Model 100. This is a solder stencil from an early prototype of the Keyboardio Model 100. These are Keyboardio's chickens.
They don't have anything to do with keyboards.
I mean, they don't touch type, but they do hunt and peck.
This is the factory that will manufacture the Keyboardio Model 100.
They're basically ready to go, just waiting on us.
And hopefully you.
Just look at this beautiful thing. It's a piece of art. Actual customer review. Super customizable, super adjustable, and comfortable to type on. Made with love by your friends at Keyboardio. Get one today.
Or maybe two?
One for home, one for the office. Offices are a thing again, right?
This has been a video about the Keyboardio Model 100. Back now, only on Kickstarter.